Alright, so this barn owl just snagged a swallow as I was standing here. Oh, crap. Where'd it go? Kyle, where'd it go? Did you notice that? No sound when the owl flies. Isn't that shit crazy? Barn owl right there. That barn owl just snagged a swallow out of the nest in my barn. And now the parents are pissed. Okay. Alright guys, check this out. This barn owl just flew in my barn and snagged a swallow. It's insane. Now this guy's just chilling up there with that swallow. Trying to shine a light too near him, but I want you guys to get a good look. He's so cool.